Do you ever feel like you're drowning? You meant to watch one video, now morning has arrived. Your essay remains blank. The deadline, is fast approaching. Enter PAWSUMO. We built an app to stop doom scrolling. Close the feed, turn your focus into coins, spend your earnings on eggs, hatch a new pet. Will you get a feisty fox, a beautiful bunny, a cunning cat, or perhaps something entirely new altogether? Each one has unique personality. Take your new friend home and buy furniture. Build the room of their dreams with endless possibilities. Really, go all out. Visit your friends to judge their decorating skills. Claim the top spot on the weekly leaderboard and get ready to collect them all. What's more, all while getting those not so long deadlines done in PAWSUMO, an app where focus builds a friend.